All right.
3GS.
You videoing?
He's got a good quality video right here.
Wait.
Kids Outdoor Zone. Take one.
Wait. Everybody. All right, get together next to each other. Okay, I'm gonna tell the make
Kids
the announcement.
Outdoor Zone, take one.
Okay.
3.
This is a regular Saturday fishing trip, and these guys are really hungry because we've been out here all day, and we're about to go. And we have some extra minnows, and so give your name and the weight of your minnow.
Paul and I have no idea how much this weighs. 0.1
At least 4 grams.
Next.
4 grams. Christian?
Are you eating a minnow?
No, I'm not.
Get out of here. Get over here.
Sushi.
Minnow eaters only.
It's the sushi bar, the KOZ sushi bar.
Whoever eats the most of their minnow gets a special KOZ prize.
Oh, congratulations.
Pretend it's a
And you have to swallow it. You can't spit it out.
All right.
All right, ready? Begin eating.
Chew it up.
Swallow it down. Just swallow
Oh,
it.
no, don't do
Chew it. You gotta chew it.
Just
You gotta chew it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's disgusting.
You swallowed the whole thing? Christian
Champion.
The KOZ sushi bar.
Get a picture
Don't
of
tell
it.
anybody.
This is
that you
Paul.
did this.
What's the remnants of Paul's attempt?
It's huge. I couldn't swallow that.
I'm just